Even the most basic micro business has multiple facets or elements to it. But you could break it down to the three main elements of marketing, operations, and finance. But don't let any of these business terms slow you down. You want to get started right away and get money flowing into your account. You know, you can do all the planning you want. Refine your woodworking abilities to pro level and have plenty of financial support to make your dream come true. But you're never really in business until you sell something. So your marketing and sales machine is of critical importance. Figure out in advance what you're going to produce in your shop to sell. With the right skills and equipment, you and I both know you're capable of building virtually anything. But that doesn't mean you should. Whatever products you settle on need to be produced at a reasonable profit. Consider the various markets and how you can best serve them. The more you can tap into what the people you'll be serving really want, the greater your potential for profit. Knowing the kinds of things people want puts you in an ideal position. If you can fulfill on those desires, you've got it made. If you're starting your shop from home, you're probably somewhat limited as to what you can build there. Space and equipment are two limitations, as is your specific location and proximity to neighbors. The good news is you can succeed in virtually any location. The trick is to be aware of where you are and what you've got. You see, starting a business can be a positive, life-changing experience when you get it right. Just be aware that it's going to take time, effort, and energy, no matter what kind of business you start. The secret on how to start a woodworking business fast, whether you're working from home or elsewhere, is to begin with a bang. This means closing sales or getting paid projects in advance before you actually begin any shop work. This is what gives you that all-important cash flow. So how do you actually generate sales when you haven't opened up your shop as a business yet? Well, there are several ways. Essentially, what it means is getting your skills, your creative talent, and your marketing message about your business out there so others can learn about what you can do. In other words, you've got to do some marketing first. But believe me, it's worth it when you do. Define your business and craft a simple marketing message and put it up on your website. Include images and a video if you have one. If not, create one. Video can be very powerful in marketing your woodworking business. If you're selling locally, define your geographic market. What area are you targeting specifically? By the way, if you're only selling locally, you should still set up a website, but make it geocentric. In other words, if you're targeting a specific city, let's take Buffalo, New York as an example. You want to set up your site to be exclusively relevant to the prospects in the greater Buffalo area. And be sure to include the suburbs as well. Make a list of any specific keyword terms your potential customers might use on Google to find your type of business. For example, kitchen cabinets Lackawanna or custom woodworking Cheektowaga, to use the Buffalo example further. When selling locally, it's important to get business cards made. Include all contact information, including your website and email address. Get out there and let people know what you do. Take photographs of your work, or if possible, have some samples with you. Having photographs with you can help you pre-sell kitchens and custom offices, if that's the kind of work you plan to do. In fact, when you're just starting out, you may have to take on entire rooms like kitchens or bathrooms, or even finished basements. Just be sure to price it all out to make a few $1,000s in profit when all is said and done. Remember, it's all about getting established quickly and effectively. A single project might be all it takes to get things rolling in an exciting and positive cash flow way. It can give you that initial lift you need to get your business off on the right foot. The thing to remember most here is to go ahead and make those sales, get that cash flowing, then worry about how you're going to produce those pieces.